What's going on today? We're gonna make some tacos with cauliflower. Welcome to today's video. We're making cauliflower tacos. You already know it's about to go down. I cannot wait to chow down. You need a few simple ingredients. I'll try to list them in the description below. I don't have the exact measurements because for real, I just listened to the ancestors. So let's get right into the video. All right, so you start off with a head of cauliflower. I cut it in half from the bottom right here, right? And then the way that I cut it here, this is sort of like the little broccoli florets, whatever you want to call them, just fall right off. I said broccoli, I meant cauliflower. And then you're left with this. I'm like a butcher to this. I'm the vegan butcher. So this is how you just cut it, same thing. Boo bop bop, bop 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 bop. You want to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Some people like big chunks. I don't like the chunks. So I cut it in half and then I cut that in half. So it's in the fourths, unless it's a smaller piece, because I try to keep it bite-sized. I'm gonna just zoom this up so you guys not getting bored. Next, I'm making the batter. I started off about 1.5 cups of flour. I used unbleached AP flour. This is a little curry powder. I did a little seasoning salt. That's a little black pepper. It's a little smoked paprika. It's a little garlic powder. And again, like I said, I only talked to my ancestors on this, so I don't necessarily know exactly how much I put in there. So, you know, just a couple shakes. Then I added the water. You want it to be like looser than pancake batter, not quite pancake. You want it just a little bit looser, but not just super thin where it's watery. So it's probably like a 4-to-1 ratio. You know what I mean? Just go ahead and mix all of that up. You should smell the seasoning radiating off of that. Then I just dumped the cauliflower directly into the bowl. I got these 2 mixing bowls from the dollar store. They're not necessarily mixing bowls, they're like Tupperware, but it works perfect for this recipe. I got a little green leaf in there. Let me get that out. Then you just put the lid on and you go ahead and shake it on up. So if your time permits, you go ahead and put this directly into the refrigerator after shaking it up. Next, we're making our dry mix. The dry mix is the same exact seasonings that we put into the wet mix. You may have seen some of my older videos where I made cauliflower before, and this mix might look a little different. I just kind of improved on the recipe just a bit. Next, you want to drop this right into the dry mix. You put the lid on and you just go ahead and shake this right on up. Now you just drop this right into your hot oil. I'm using grapeseed oil in this video. gonna go ahead and speed this up for you guys. So the thing is, you just want to get a nice crispy crunch on the outside. So the desired time you leave it in there is up to you. I normally leave it in for about 5 minutes. Try to mix it throughout the time that it's cooking. I wait till it's nice and golden like this. And then let's plate it up because we're making tacos. Usually I do a buffalo sauce, but not this time. I got my flour tortilla, I got my Daiya cheese, and let's get it popping. So I'm going tomato, lettuce, and a little Daiya cheese at the end. So I'm gonna just plate the 40s up. Cauliflower, tomato, lettuce. Those are aroma tomatoes, and that's some romaine lettuce. Here it is, your finished product. All right, there you have it. This is what it looks like, the finished product. Looks so good. I'm gonna try one of these on camera for you. Here you go. A little bit of hot sauce up in that joker. Too much hot sauce. Listen, it's crunchy. The tomatoes and the lettuce is just fresh. And then the cheese, this new Daiya, what is it called? Mexican blend shreds, really good. I don't want to bit the glove. Here we go. Let's get some salsa. This is what I call Vegan Made Easy. Eat grass, not us. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you liked the recipes. If you did, I'm gonna make plenty more. Let's go.